So far for the day, gold traded with a slight bearish bias. At the same time, silver traded very much in a controlled zone, which we discussed that 2330 is going to be the resistance. Precisely, it has gone close to 2330 and has now still at 2320, the critical support levels. On the downside, 2310, $23 levels proven out to be a great support for silver there. At the same time, gold is traded with a bearish bias. See, 1932 was the level, as we discussed, that 1932 is the only buying entry. It has gone close to 32 and since then traded bearish. Now it is trading at a support at 1920. So what to expect now with the US session? Which position you should take in order to profit trading gold and silver? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. Thus, press the bell icon in order to get the live notification or else be part of my free Telegram channel to get the live updates. Also, your every like, share, subscribe and comment is a great support for the effort which I put twice a day for gold and silver. Thus, do comment, do like, share, subscribe. With that, let's start. First, we look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. Now, see, gold earlier in the day achieved close to 1930-32 levels. We discussed that why this is a great resistance, and since then it is trying to trade bearish in this channel. 1920 is indeed first support levels here, and below that, see 1918, 1915 only and only if gold trades below 1914-15 level, you should treat this as bearish. Else, as long as it stays above 1914 and 15, we should not treat gold as bearish. At the same time, right now it is trading with definitely a bearish bias drop there, retracement drop. So this is on the hourly charts. The lows of this channel somewhere here at 1918, 1915 levels. This is indeed a great support. If you look at the stochastic, this is sitting at bottom here while MACD is trading with extreme divergence and bearishness. Yes, it can continue on the downside, but since it has seen maximum drop there, possibly a little convergence means fewer green candles cannot be denied. RSI looking downwards, trying to stay bearish here. Coming to 2 hour, likewise on the 2 hour charts, drop, retracement and drop. So yes, trading in this bearish channel, the top of this channel somewhere here at around 28, and yes, if you see it is staying above 1930, that is the point at which you should treat this for a reversal. If you look at the 2 hour stochastic, this is also oversold as of now, while MACD is still trading with extreme divergence and bearishness. Candle size have peaked. Possibly this should converge, but we have to observe a bit more. RSI looking downwards here, trying to indicate slight bearishness. Coming to 3 hour charts, increasing bearishness here. This candle can be extended a bit. We may see 1918-15 zone here. Possibility exists that it can continue on the downside. Yes, there is a pull here on the downside, but remember, outside Bollinger Bands, it may try to stretch 1920, 1815. Very good support here exists. Hence, you have to be watchful, cautious, alert. Yes, it has already breached the earlier support at 1922, 1924 zone. If you look at the stochastic, here is also oversold. While MACD is trading with extreme divergence and bearishness, there should be a possible conversion here. But right now it is trading with extreme divergence, bearishness. You can see the waves here. It has completed one cycle. Let's see if it converges here. RSI looking downwards, trying to stay bearish. And if you look at 4 hour charts, after consolidating for a while, gold is trying to trade in this channel, only buying entries above 1930. Very clear here. Yes, if it stays above 1930, you can buy, but right now it is trading with a bearish bias. We can see a pull, gravitational pull on the downside. Might take it. Those who watch the morning update and are staying short below 1924, you can trade with the stop loss at your entry price. Possibly we might find a support at around 1920, 18 zone, first support levels, and the next support levels at around 1415. 1415 is the greatest support. Multiple times I am repeating this. The stochastic is oversold on the 4 hour charts, while MACD is trading with extreme divergence, extreme bearishness. Yes, it can continue further on the downside. RSI is also staying bearish. Coming to the daily. Now, look at daily chart. See, it has come to the support levels here. It has erased the gains. This is a reversal sign, possibly once it breaks further. Staying below this zone at 22, 19, 18 and 15, more bearishness may prevail, and then 1910 cannot be denied. In fact, we can see further lows. If you look at the daily chart, see double top here, almost the same levels, and now trying to retrace. If it continues its downward move, it may in fact try to breach the double bottom levels here. But right now still there is a pull. That is very clear. It is trying to move down. At the same time, 1920, 18, 15 are great support. So for the day, yes, those who are short from 1924 levels should trade with the entry price as, you can say your stop loss is at your entry price at 1924. And as long as 1924 is respected, we can see a further bearishness. First support levels at 1920, and below that we may see 1918 and 15 levels as two major supports. On the upside, you can buy here only if you see it staying above 1930. That is the only level above which I will recommend you to buy gold today. Above 1930, it can try to reverse completely, and then you can even expect it to break past 1936, 1940 levels as well. So be watchful of 1930 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. The 26th batch is going to start on first week of October. Limited seats are available. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now let's have a look at silver. See, silver on the hourly charts have fallen back within this zone, which is a critical support zone. We have discussed earlier in the day that only selling entries below 22.95 and only buying entries above 23.30. I will still stick to the same zone, same levels here. Yes, right now it is trading sideways. On the upside, 23.30 is a great resistance, and then 23.40 levels will be seen as the next milestone. Yes, if you see it staying above 23.40, you can treat silver as bullish, else it is still trying to trade with the bearish bias. Stochastic rising, MACD willing to converge, crossover. It has not yet crossed over, but it is willing to crossover for buy. RSI comfortable. If you look at 2-hour chart, on the 2-hour charts, yes, trying to stay sideways here in this box. See multiple candles, green, red. Now the direction which it takes after the breakout is going to be the direction. If it breaks past 23.30, stay in long. If it breaks past 23 or 22.95 levels, we can sell here. Else in between these levels, we have to be watchful, cautious, alert. See, stochastic is retraced, trying to look downwards. MACD is trading with extreme divergence and bearishness. It should try to converge. RSI is flat. Coming to 3-hour chart. Now on the 3-hour charts, lower highs, almost lower lows, you have to wait for 23.10, 23 levels to be breached in order to confirm the bearish bias. And on the upside, very clear, same 23.30 levels. Stochastic is rising, MACD is divergent and bearish, and yes, this crossover has come at a slightly higher levels, and this wave is trying to complete. I will wait for the completion of the wave, and then if it crosses over, certainly bullish momentum may prevail. RSI is comfortable, neither bullish nor bearish. Coming to 4-hour charts. If you look at 4-hour charts, see higher lows here, flat opening here. Yes, if you see it is staying above 23.30, just stay long. We can look forward to 23.40-60 zone again. Stochastic is rising, MACD is divergent, MACD is bearish. It is crossed over here. It is trying to look downwards. We may see it continuing for a while. RSI is comfortable, neither bullish nor bearish. Coming to the daily. Now look at the daily charts for silver. See, the lows are beautifully aligned here. This suggests that it may find it difficult to break past these lows, and yes, once if it breaks below these levels, certainly the bearish momentum is going to prevail. And yes, we have to take it seriously if it drops below 22.95, 22.80 zone. This is going to be the great support for silver. If it drops below 22.95, more bearishness may prevail, and then 22.80 levels will call for the bears out there. Right now, if you look at silver, what is happening? See, higher lows are seen on the daily charts. It is trying to stay in this box, and lower highs are also seen. Yes, this is a phase of consolidation right now. It is not willing to break past either which ways. Yes, it has tried to converge towards the 20 and 50 100 period moving average. That is why I have been giving a call for 23.60 since long. It has achieved 23.60 and since then retraced. So now I'll watch out how it behaves at around 23.30 levels, beyond which little bullishness may prevail in silver. Stochastic dropping from the overbought zone, while MACD willing to converge crossover for a buying entry. Yes, it is almost on the verge of a crossover. RSI is almost staying flat. So yes, if you see silver about 23.30, you can buy. Expect 23.40, 23.60 levels as the next resistance. And indeed, these are great resistances. On the downside, below 22.95, you can initiate a sell entry. Expect 22.80 as the major support. And below 22.80 is where the bears will take over for 22.60, 22.50 levels. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do press the bell icon. Join my mentorship batch or signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session update. Do not miss to watch that update. It sets the tone throughout the day. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.